Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add the photos to a Vinted listing. So first of all, come here on vinted.com and here simply just log in into your account. You can also follow the same steps inside your Vinted application. So when you are inside, simply click on the option of sell now button on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now over here, you are going to see the prompt that would say sell an item. So basically this is the section where you can create your new listing. So the very first option that you are seeing over here is of photos or uploading photos. So this is what we are looking for. So you need to simply click on the option of upload photos. Then from your gallery, you can select the number of photos that you want for the product. Afterwards, you just have to scroll down and give your item the title, the description, and then simply select the category, add the pricing, and click on the option of upload in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now, if you want to upload the photos inside your existing listing, then simply click on your profile icon on the top right hand corner. Then simply click on the option of profile. Now, over here, you are going to see the listings that are available or that are active. So simply select the listing and here in the bottom right hand corner you will find the option of edit listing. Now over here you will see this camera icon, so you can again simply click on it and then you can upload the photos, and afterwards you just have to do nothing but to just simply scroll down and select the option of save. So that's how you can basically do it. Thanks for watching.